Thank you for taking part in this class. In this video, I will be sharing with you what is consciousness and its function. I hope this can help you and guide you to find a more profound understanding and discovery of yourself. Let's dive into it. My name is Al-Abi Muk Adam Olaitan. Consciousness, my dear friends, plays an indispensable role in the tapestry of our lives. It operates much like the conductor of orchestra, harmonizing the various components of experiences into the beautiful symphony of our existence. But what exactly is the role of consciousness? Let us dive into its multifaceted nature. Consciousness is like the captain at the helm of a ship, steering us through the vast sea of choices we encounter daily. Whether it is deciding what to have to breakfast, who to spend our life with, or how to react in a crisis. Consciousness helps us navigate through it all. Consciousness also allows us to connect with others. It enables us to emphasize and empathize, to understand someone else's perspectives. Consciousness, my dear friends, plays an indispensable role in the tapestry of our lives. It operates much like the conductor of an orchestra, harmonizing the various components of our experiences into the beautiful symphony of our existence. But what exactly is the role of consciousness? Consciousness is the very core of our being. It is what makes us uniquely human. It shapes our experiences, influences our action, and ultimately determine our reality. So, you see, consciousness is not just about aware. It is about comprehending and interacting with our surroundings. It is about making sense of the world, making decisions, forming memories, connecting with others, and exploring the unknown. Primarily, consciousness serves as the lens through which we engage with the world. It allows us to examine the nuances of emotions, perceive sensations, process thoughts and comprehend our surroundings. Without consciousness, the warmth of sun, the sweetness of chocolate, and the very words you are hearing now will remain elusive experiences. Yet, its significance, yet, its significance extends beyond my perceptions. Consider consciousness as the canvas on which our memories are artistically crafted. Every moment, emotion, thought becomes an indelible part of this living, ever evolving record of our lives. Additionally, consciousness assumes the role of captain, steering a ship, guiding us through the vast sea of daily choices. As I've said earlier, whether selecting breakfast, choosing life partners, or responding to crises, consciousness is the guiding force. Furthermore, consciousness fosters connection with others, enabling empathy and understanding of diverse perspectives. It serves as a bridge between our inner world and the outer world, facilitating meaningful interactions with our environment. It propels our curiosity and quest for knowledge, prompting us to ask questions, seek answers, and explore the uncharted. This spark fuels our imagination, creativity, and the capacity to dream and innovate. In essence, consciousness resides at the core of our being, rendering us uniquely human. It molds our experiences, directs our action, and ultimately shapes our reality. Consequently, consciousness surpasses mere awareness. It encompasses comprehensions and interaction with our surroundings. It involves making sense of the world, forming memory, as I've said earlier, engaging with others, and venturing into the unknown. This, my dear friend, encapsulates the profound function of consciousness. My name is Muk Adam Alabi ọlá ìtàn